नमस्कार दोस्तों, जीपैट नाइपर ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम्स में एक इंडस्ट्रियल फार्मेसी सब्जेक्ट में से टैबलेट जो चैप्टर है आपका, उसमें से जो टैबलेट इवैल्यूएशन टेस्ट है, एक टेस्ट है फायबिलिटी। उसके ऊपर अभी तक 8 टाइप के क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं रिपीटेड। तो देखो, पहला क्वेश्चन वो पूछते हैं कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ apparatus इज यूज्ड फॉर फायबिलिटी टेस्ट। दूसरा टाइप का क्वेश्चन दोस्तों वो पूछते हैं कि हाउ मेनी टैबलेट यू हैव टू टेक फॉर फायबिलिटी टेस्ट। इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं दोस्तों कि व्हाट इज द लिमिट फॉर फायबिलिटी टेस्ट। चौथा क्वेश्चन है और एक व्हाट इज वेदर इट इज ऑफिशियल इन द आईपीबीपी और नॉट। ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। और भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं, जैसे ड्यूरिंग द फायबिलिटी टेस्ट tablets are subjected to a combined process of likewise that during the each revolution of fiability apparatus tablets are get dropped from height of। ऐसे 8 टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं ऑलरेडी। तो इसी क्वेश्चन के बारे में आज अपन देख लेते हैं।
So important test from tablet evaluation test, my dear friends, is a fiability. Now first question that can be covered from fiability test is nothing but they used to ask you most commonly used apparatus for fiability of tablet. So answer is nothing but the Roche type of fiability is the most commonly used. Now my dear friends, second question that can be covered during the fiability test, the tablets are subjected to a combined process of abrasion and shock, or you can say combined process of impact and attrition. Remember, during the fiability, tablets are subjected to impact and attrition or abrasion and shock. Now third question that can be covered, my dear friends, is nothing but this fiability test apparatus is operated at a 25 rpm for 4 minutes. So total 100 rotation will be there, remember. Now another question that can be covered from fiability test apparatus. So during the revolution of this apparatus, the tablets are dropped from the height of 6 inches. So if you have to place the tablets over here, and you have to start the apparatus. So during the revolution, the tablet will get dropped from the height of 6 inches, right? And next question, my dear friends, that can be covered from this fiability. How many tablets you have to take for fiability test? Lot of students, they have confusion. Somebody will say 10 tablets, somebody will say 20 tablets. But my dear friends, actually that depends on the tablet weight. So if your tablet weight is a 650 milligram or more than that, means if your tablet weight is a 650 equal to or more than that 650, you have to take 10 tablets. And if your tablet weight is a less than 650 milligram, in that case you have to take tablet weight corresponding to 6.5 gram, right? So if your tablet weight is a 650 milligram or more than that, then in that case 10 tablets are selected for test. And if your tablet weight is less than 650 milligram, then weight corresponding to 6.5 gram. Suppose that your tablet is weighing only 5 milligram. In that case, you have to take a lot of tablets. You have to weigh 6.5 gram of tablet. Doesn't matter under that weight, 100 tablets come, 200 tablets come. You have to take that much of tablets. Now another question that can be covered from fiability, my dear friends. What is the limit? So limit of fiability is nothing but not more than 0.5 to 1%. Very, very important. Another important question that can be covered from fiability test is nothing but remember, this fiability test is official in the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, but it is not official in the Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia. So very, very important. So just a single test, fiability test, on that they have already asked at least 8 type of different questions. So all these are covered. Thank you very much.